Hello everyone, I'm jdflutes. Welcome to my channel. This flute is a customer's flute, of course. This flute is in the key of G. It's tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. It's been produced with aromatic cedar. It has an oil finish, and it's been bored with a gun drill. It's been bored using a 7/8 of an inch bit. This flute, folks, has a wonderful, wonderful voice. This is one of my new designs. These new design flutes, their voices are way clearer than what I used to make. They might look sort of similar on the outside, but the inside, folks, are totally different. This customer here wanted my one stone on the fetish. It's been wrapped with soft deer leather. I gave him a little bit of block to where it blocks the wind, to where he can do a little bit more with this flute. This flute takes very little breath, but you can give it a lot more breath if you would like to, the way it's made. Folks, this is an awesome flute to play. Awesome flute. Can't remember, but it's wrapped with soft gold deer leather. Up on the bottom, you will see jdflutes G 528 Hertz. If you can see it. My sinuses are bothering me today, so my vision's a little blurry. I can't see it. Maybe you can. Okay. But I'm going to let you hear what this flute sounds like. This is just a sound sample. Like I said, this is a G tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love, with a 7/8 of an inch bore. This flute will be in its dry state. I'm not going to add any reverb, no type of sound effects, or anything like that. I'm not going to enhance its voice at all. This will be its natural voice. So you can only imagine if you add a little bit of reverb to this flute, what it would sound like. is, folks. Beautiful, folks, beautiful. If you would like a flute like this, it does come with different finishes. Just let me know. Just simply give me a phone call to 910-843-1738 or simply give me an email to jdflutes@yahoo.com. If you send me an email, I will give you a list of sale prices along with options. So I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much for everything.